What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Now today I'm going to show you the ROC Hobbies aka FMS new crawlers. So this must be a beautiful, stunning crawlers. Now let's unbox it. This is the Porsche 112 Type 82. Now this is a World War II, the Porsche's SUV. And this is your manuals. Let's click here to unbox it. Here is transmitters, just as before. The batteries, 2S batteries, just as before, and the chargers and the range. Small batteries, 2S, 380 milliamp hours. Wow, look at it. So beautiful. This is a Porsche. Type 82. Look at its suspensions. So soft. I think the suspension is better than the 112's Jimny and the 112's Jeep Willys. Yes, because the suspensions all changed. Wow, so stunning. I will show you. So the 4 doors can all opened. And if you see the FMS, yes, it's so tight. So when you want to open the doors, you should rotate this. Look at it. And this will mount it on the doors. Let's look at the right side. The left face is a little bit tight. So here you can see this angles. The doors can open easily, but when I rotate to this position, the door is mounted and it won't open. So beautiful. And even the rear doors rotate to this position and open it. By the way, now look at the seats. The seats is so beautiful. It's not plastic or nylon. It's something soft like the real cloth materials. So the front windshield can also fold it. to these positions, and even the mirrors can rotate. Here, wow, the mirrors has two ways to rotate. One way just like this, and the rear seat can also fold it. Yes, you can put something in here. And even the trunk, look at it, small engines. And it rotates with the rear wheels. Now let's see the back text is on the engines. Let's see the trunk inside. The all-in-one ESCs and some others. Oh, and the hood you can remote from it. Look at it. So I will put the batteries here. I don't know where to. Oh, maybe the battery should put in here. Okay, I put it. Now let's see the chassis. Wow, this is just like the die-cast cars or the real cars, so you can't find anything because just it's blocked all the drive shafts, universal shafts. Look at it. Now this is the first FMS product with differentials. Look at it. The left and the right wheels rotate in the opposite ways. And the suspensions, it's not it's the IFS independent suspensions here. You can see. And the drive shafts are metals, so I think it's stuff solid enough. Now let's look at the rear. There's also the independent suspensions here. look at it. So I will test it. Now first I will show you the light systems of the Type 82. So look at it. The headlights and the taillights are all off. So now in this mode, the tail light only lights when you stopped. Only stopped. Even in this mode, the changing lamps didn't turn on. So in this mode, headlights and the taillights are all turned on. And in this mode, when you brakes, the brake light will turn on. So you can see it is a little bit. You can see it a little bit. So when it brakes, the brake light will become a little bit brighter than before. Let's say brake. So the next mode, you can see this little light turned on, and it comes in emergency mode. The light is flashing. And in the final light mode, only the little light turned on, and the brake light and the steering lamp only turned on in this mode. By the way, the Type 82 has 2 gears. Now let's see, this is the slow gears. Now let's see the speed. The lowest speed. The lowest speed I can control. Now let's choose the fast gears. This is the lowest speed in fast gears. And the steering wheels rotate with the wheels, and you can even see a lot of details in the dashboard. Just like the real cars. And by the way, I noticed that the rear suspensions are independent portal axles. Look at it. Portal axles, so beautiful. Oh, by the way, I will show you the Porsche rear engines. It can rotate with a little fast. You can see the belt moves. So the Jeep Willys suspensions is only the experience here. It didn't have the shock oils, so you can see it's like the bones. And the Jeep Willys used the dependent suspension, so it is a little bit solid or hard than the Type 82. Now the Type 82 suspensions are so soft. So I think This is the most detailed FMS product because it has the rear engines routed with motors. All suites are all beautiful. So good jobs, FMs. It provide a lot of beautiful products for us. So thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.